Good vibes. Hello, cat. So you're so cute. Very cute. What's your name? Huh? What's your name? So your friend is my Hello Kitty. Wow, so cute. Mm. It's my first time to see this kind of cat.
May internet po kayo? Wala rin. Kaya biglang wala. May internet kaya Kuya Joby?
Good vibes.
I-on-off muna ate.
So cute. So, good morning. How are you, pussycat? You're so cute. Mm. It's like you are like stuffed toy. Mm. Do you have a problem? Oh, you're so good vibes. Wow. Mm. Can I touch you? Pussy? Mm. She likes to be relaxed, so the cat is so cool. Hmm. It's my first time to see this kind of, cat. So see this kind of cat, no? Hello, hi, you're so cute, cat. It's a big cat. What's your name, cat? Now you're so famous now. You have a problem? Okay, sleep well. I think you're so tired today. Okay. Nice cat. It seems like the cat is made in other country. Okay. So I hope you're not so sick. Okay. Sleep well. It's so cute. Okay, sleep well, cat. Okay, so good vibes. Okay. The cat is that. Okay. Hi, hello, cutie. Wake up now. Hmm? You're looking for my Hello Kitty? You're looking Hello Kitty? Oh, why is it that you don't, where's your eyes? Hmm? Where's your eyes? Mm, And this cat is so friendly. Oh, you see, even you touch this cat, no, it's still okay. I hope that you're not so sick, cat. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's it. It's my first time to see cat like this. Okay, sleep well. Okay, so I hope that you're not sick. Okay. Oh, you like to stay in my house? Okay. Okay, so okay, so this is it. So share, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Beautiful cat, like my Hello Kitty cat. Oh, I hope you're not so sick, huh? Okay, so sleep well. It's a very big cat. Okay, enjoy your sleeping, cat. Bye. Okay, so this is it. Good vibes. It feels you so relaxed and cool when you see this kind of cat. Okay, maybe she's looking for a friend. I hope you're not sick, cat, huh? I like to see your eyes though. Mm, a big cat. Okay, so have a good day. So good night, cat. I hope you're not sick. Okay, so better take good care of yourself. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's it. Bye, cat.